Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Damn, nigga. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngethonga. Nizokhumbula guys ukuthi kwi-video yami engiyenzile ke last week bengikhuluma ngendaba ukuthi ke ama viewers aseqala ukubhoreka ngalo round and round odlalwa ke ithonga kabanele obuyayo ozo destroy ama relationship osanele, like who's making izinto even more difficult than it was. Yes, wababuyisela ibhizinisi, but I feel like the writers must just be I don't know, but we need more. We need another side of ithonga, not lesibuka njengamanje. Asazi guys, because Friday kwi-episode basivezele ukuthi ke ubanele uhambile, bakhuluma nomfowabo wathi cha uyahamba, noZama naye wahamba ogezisa inyama. We are hoping ukuthi the writers might take us to another level, but ngokubuka kwethi izinto i-title nje yaso the story mayithi ithonga, ish kusho ukuthi hey man, asazi noma solokho sibona ubanele buya noma sobona amathonga amanye evuka, like I don't know guys, but if iqhubeka kanje I don't see sibona ke useason 2, but ke kube mnandi ukubona ke ubanele noma ke usanele eshada ke uZama noma ke eyombesa ke uZama, not uZama uMbali, ngoba vele uyamthanda. So lento kabanele ngampela ibinkinga ke, but we are hoping guys for the best. We don't know, hayi kodwa nje siyakhumbula umkhokha, angifuni ukungasho. This behind the scene ke yawo ke umembeso ke ka Mbali from uSanele. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do comment below and share your opinion. Bye.